Hello viewers, today I'm gonna talk about a very useful and sourceful content for all office fingers out there. So here it is. This is a lunch bag from LunchBoss. First of all, I really like the design because I'm really fascinated about floral print, so I really loved it. It's a waterproof bag, so I really liked it. Also, it works in both ways, like it will keep your food warm and keep your drinks cold for a longer time. Secondly, it has a thermal layer inside, so which helps to keep your food warm for a longer time. So no need to search for microwave at your organization. Lastly, it is very handy and lightweight, and also it has quite enough space inside so to keep your food warm for a longer time while traveling outside for 7 to 8 hours or going outside for picnic. So no need to worry, you just need to place your order from Amazon today, and I'll share the swipe up link, and also I'll share the link in my bio. So wish you all have healthy and happy life. Thank you.